this lesson we're going to look at adverbs. Our phrase is et nunc et semper, now and always. We'll start with a review of adverbs. As you've already learned, adverbs are useful words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs to make our language more descriptive. Adverbs answer questions such as how, for example, slowly, surely, worthily, or where, from there. How much, for example, greatly or chiefly. How often, always or never. And when, for example, now or today. Many English adverbs end with ly, which makes them easy to identify. In Latin, adverbs come in two forms. Some are simply their own word, and you can find a couple of examples of this in our phrase, nunc meaning now and semper meaning always. Other adverbs are formed from an adjective and they look similar to them, and this kind ends in a or te. So here are some examples. Digne, meaning worthily, is derived from dignius. Pie, meaning piously, is derived from pius. Maxime, meaning especially or chiefly, is derived from maximus. Now that you've learned a bit about adverbs, we should see how they fit into a Latin sentence. As a general rule, adverbs precede the verb or the other part of speech that they're modifying. But it's also common to find a sentence beginning with the adverb. I've given a general word order here, but remember, word order is not so important in Latin because it's inflected, and we can look at the endings to see how that word is being used in the sentence. In general, the order is subject first and verb last. If there's an indirect object, it follows the subject. If there's a direct object, it follows the indirect object. And if there's an adverb, it comes before the verb. Any adjectives usually follow the noun that they're modifying. Vocabulary now. We've got 5 adverbs and a new noun. Semper means always. Maxime means chiefly. Nunc is now. Hodie is today. Non is not or no. And peccator, peccatoris, masculine, sinner. Adverbs are far easier than the other parts of speech we've looked at because they're not declined and there's nothing to do with cases or genders. It's just a word and a meaning. Homework now. There are the exercises from your text, and you can download supplementary exercises too. And don't forget your drill schedule so that you can keep up with your review. That's it from me. Goodbye. God bless.